Duofilm Liquid is a medication used on the skin to treat common skin and foot warts. It contains salicylic acid, which helps the wart to gradually peel off. The medication is also used to help remove corns and calluses. It should not be used on the face, moles, birthmarks, warts with hair growing from them, or genital/anal warts. Salicylic acid works by increasing the amount of moisture in the skin and dissolving the substance that causes the skin cells to stick together, making it easier to shed the skin cells. It does not affect the virus that causes warts. When using Duofilm Liquid, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. This medication is for use on the skin only, so be careful to avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, groin, or on any broken skin. If this does happen, make sure to flush the area with cool water for 15 minutes and wash your hands after use. To use Duofilm Liquid, start by soaking the affected area in warm water for about 5 minutes to soften the skin. Dry the area thoroughly, and then carefully remove the top dead layers of skin as directed by your doctor. After that, apply a few drops or a thin coat of the medication to cover the entire wart, callus, or corn. Let it dry for 5 minutes and follow the directions on the product package for how often to apply the medication. Depending on the type of Duofilm Liquid you are using, you may need to apply the medication twice with each treatment. It's important to use the medication regularly to get the most benefit from it, and try to use it at the same time each day. If your condition lasts or gets worse, make sure to seek medical help right away. It's normal to experience slight burning, skin redness, and peeling when using Duofilm Liquid. If these effects worsen, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Most people do not experience serious side effects, but it's important to inform your doctor if you notice spreading skin redness, signs of infection, or the formation of a deep sore at the treatment site. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to Duofilm Liquid can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Remember, it's important to discuss any concerns or issues with your healthcare provider. Before using Duofilm Liquid, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to salicylic acid or nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's also important to share your medical history, especially if you have diabetes, poor blood circulation, or skin infection/irritation. If you are scheduled to have an MRI test, make sure to inform the testing personnel if you are using the patch, as some patches may contain metals that can cause serious burns during the MRI. Your doctor can advise on whether you need to remove the patch before the test and apply a new one afterward. If you are pregnant, Duofilm Liquid should only be used if clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, it is unknown whether this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. When using Duofilm Liquid, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It is essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without first obtaining approval from your doctor. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, it's important to keep this medication out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. Always follow the recommended dosage and usage instructions provided by your healthcare professional. If your doctor has recommended Duofilm Liquid for you, it's important not to share it with others. If you forget to take a dose of Duofilm Liquid, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Duofilm Liquid, it is important to keep it at room temperature. Different brands may have different storage requirements, so be sure to check the product package or ask your pharmacist for specific instructions. It is crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of Duofilm Liquid by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It is important to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. For guidance on how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.